mommy's baby. Give me a kiss. Mwah, my baby. Can y'all please, and I mean please, can y'all please stop kissing your babies on the lips? Now, I'm not trying to tell y'all what to do as a parent, but y'all know what that mouth do. Y'all know what y'all be doing with your mouth. And it is not fair for y'all to do the freak leak how you like it daddy, and then want to sit there and kiss your babies on the lips. Like, why? Why do you think it is okay for y'all to be doing what you do with your mouth and to go kiss an innocent, beautiful child? Do y'all know that you can give your babies herpes? Like, I'm not even trying to be funny. Do y'all know that you can give babies herpes when you kiss them on the lips? It's called cold sores. We all know cold sores are a type of herpes, but still. There's literally stuff that you're doing to your child, like giving your baby herpes. Like, y'all don't think about this stuff. Like, okay, it's your baby, and you want to show your baby that you love them, but you just got to kiss them on their lips? Like, why? Give them a kiss on their cheek, their forehead. Like I said, y'all know what y'all mouths be doing. And then you want to go kiss your baby on the lips. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And guys, I'm late as hell again with posting my videos. So happy weekend. Have a great weekend. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.